you may not be know that Ural joined with you. That is one thing, and second thing will be your who will be your coordinator, who are the academic courses are there in the college to teach you. All this will not be having a chance for you to be know. Anyway, that you comes to know when the counseling session starts. Counseling session is nothing but the classes like that you will be having classes will be there that we can call it that we are calling as a counseling sessions that will be held. We are planning by next week onwards for the all the programs. You comes to know about that one. And before knowing all the things, like first we have to be talk about the technical jargons which are there, which is using there in the IGNO. The program, nothing but the program is nothing but the degree you have been joined. Maybe you might be joined for a BCA, Bachelor of Computer Applications, or MCA or MBA. So there is a program code is given over there for all the program. Like MBA, we are calling it as a MP, and the MCA, BCA. These are the program code. You might be knowing it, and you're also having a subjects like we call it as a courses. So each course will be having a course codes. So you please be remember that which course are what are the course codes are there. So what you have to do, like you have to start beginning your studies through. First, you have to be go to the IGNO site and then check your registration details. It is there in the student support student zone. If you click student zone and student support, where you can find the registration details, you can click the registration details and enter your 10-digit enrollment number, which is given by the IGNO. That is a unique number given to all the learners who join for the program. You just enter the enrollment number over there in the portal in the registration details, and then give your program code. Like once you give your program code, captcha will be there. So once you click the captcha, your home page will be opening over there. Every learners will be having a home page. There all the information of you will be given over there, like your name will be there, your when your session has been started, and when is your maximum validity period is going to be over, and then your address, your mobile, all the information will be given over there, and the courses which have been registered also given over there. Because some maybe students may not be knowing that in the beginning which are the courses they have chosen. So that you can come to know from the research details that which are subjects have been taken for your program. So that is given over there, and you can see that one. If you find any mistakes over there in your name or surname, please let us know. Please send a mail to rcnagpur@ignou.ac.in. You can send a mail to us with a supporting document to be change your name or any corrections over there in the name. You will immediately do it. That will help you when it is for you for in the future, like for getting certificate there with IGNOU. So that is one thing you have to do it. I hope you all might be downloaded your ID card. In case if you are not download the ID card, you can download the ID card on your own. If you are not able to download, let us know. You can send a mail to us. We will inform you how to be download the ID card, so that you can be do on it on your own. So that is one thing. Again, you have to do it. And other thing is that no, you might be receiving study material for MBA. Hope is a revised new material. Probably material now they started to be dispatched to the learners. You will be receiving it the hard copy, or now what we are also shared the link of soft copy already all the learners. You can use the soft copy now for your submission of preparation of your assignments. You can start prepare your assignment responses and then submit the assignment responses by 31st of December to a study center. That can be done because the date is already extended. It was up to November 30th. Now the date was extended to 31st of December. You can be submit your assignment by this month end. So at your study center, that you can be do it. And for every course, you have to submit assignment, irrespective of the program, like BCA, MCA, MBA, whichever program you have joined. You are supposed to be submit one assignment for each course. So one assignment for a course, and which how many courses have been registered for a first semester, you have to be submit the assignment for those all the registered courses at the study center. The question paper will be available there in the IGNOU website. You can be download the question paper from the IGNOU website and then start write your assignment responses. And you try to be download the program guide over there in the website. It will be useful to you. Like you comes to know that how many about your program structure, and all the information regarding to the university will be given over there. Like when you have to submit your assignments, when you have to submit the examinations, every dates will be given over there. And entire information about your program will be there in the program guide that you can download and keep it with you. And please read thoroughly your program guide. That will help you to complete your program successfully in IGNOU. Uh, and yes, classes we are. I hope you have been planning already. It has been scheduled for MBA. Now, shortly we'll be sending to you. The study center will be creating a group. The link will be sent to you. You can be joined on the link, and then you can be get the information over there in the Google WhatsApp link, or we'll be sending you through mail. Like, please check the mails, and also the counseling schedules will be uploaded there in the RC Nagpur website. Please visit our RC Nagpur website to get the latest information, or you can also see IGNOU website to get the updated information. Regarding your counseling schedule, your counseling schedule will be uploaded only there on the RC Nagpur website. So there you can be find out that when the classes are there, and we are also sending you all a mail regarding your counseling sessions, and that is one thing. And after you was if that you have to be apply for the examination. The 12th December is the last date to be apply for the term and examination of your first semester. You please be apply for it. You have to declare it before applying for the examination. You have to declare that you already submit the assignment and then apply for the examination, and you submit the assignment even after applying for the examination. And that is also thing news has been given because of all this COVID. We have been getting everything is delayed. It is supposed to be start in the month of July, but due to COVID, that session was been extended, and then there was a delay there in your studies. Don't worry about it. You can be, because in the distance education, you have to play a major role to be steady on the lesson, because you will be having different priorities. Your priorities will be different. To the compared to the conventional university students. The conventional university students will be same age group, and then they have to attend the classes, and then their preference will be to attend the class and then give the examinations. Whereas in the distance education, you will be having an own preferences. So you might be employee or whatever profile you are. So you will be having your own responsibilities, and preferences will be according to that your profile. So whatever it is, you just spend some time and then try to be uh, uh, read the material and and understand the concepts. If you have any doubts on the lessons in the curriculum, in the course material, you can note down the questions on the both the sides of the material, left and right, and that questions can be discussed during your counseling sessions. That will help you to be understand the concept, and also your peer groups, so they can also learn from there, like so that will help you. And this is all about the system, and we are here to help you. And Dr. Tushar sir is there. He is very proactive assistant coordinator over there in the study center. Definitely you will be getting a good support services from the study center for the MBA program. And BCA MCA, you're all attached with the GH Roysoni College. So there you will be getting a support services, and whatever you want to communicate to us, like if you want to be difficulties find to complete your program, you can let you please inform to the regional center. We will support you. Whenever you're writing to the university, please do write your name, enrollment number, and program code, and the issue. That will help us to be understand your profile, and then make you to be complete the program. We can make you to be give proper support services. And that's all from my side. And thank you all. All the best for studies. And whatever doubts we can be clarify after this. And when the induction will give you time after completion of this induction meeting. With that time, you can discuss whatever doubts you have. We can clarify it. And thank you. I also thank Dr. Venkateswarlu sir to be arranged this induction meeting. And I thank Dr. Tushar Thale sir to be uh, joined with us. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Sir, Tushar Tale sir, please continue this meeting. I want to speak Chaube sir for BCA, MCA and PGDCA programs. So he will the right person to interact with the learners. So kindly continue 1 or 2 minutes. I will join back to you. Okay, sir.
सर आप म्यूट है।
सर आवाज नहीं आ रहा, म्यूट हो आप।
Sir, your sound is muted.
Arey, he is speaking to someone else.
Hello.
Hmm.
Friends. So already I was spoken to Anupam Chaube. He is the one of the coordinator at 1633 Rayaseni Group of Colleges. That is our BCA, MCA, and PGDCA programs coordinator. He wanted to join, so he is in moderation meeting. That is the reason he was not joined. So I request on behalf of regional center. So he will be joined within 1 or 2 minutes. Then after he will interact with you. Then he will explain all those things for BCA, MCA, and PGDCA programs. Then I will continue. That is not a big issue. So kindly wait 1 or 2 minutes. Then we start it. Chaube sir, are you joined? Anupam Chaube.
No, sir, he has not joined.
Okay.
Sir, meanwhile, can we take the queries of the learners? If I am the learners, I have taken the admission in the month of July. Can we?
Speak louder. I am unable to get your voice clearly.
Am I clear?
Now you are clear.
Okay.
Rahul.
Yeah.
Boliye.
Sir, my query is that I have taken the admission in the month of July. And
For which program?
PGDCA new. Okay. And then I got one confirmation mail, and then after that I was searching for the study material. Then I have just forwarded one mail to the IGNOU mail ID. So I got one solution from their end. Then after that, now the second or third mail I got it. Now there will be the examination in the month of December, right? No, the assignment.
December exams will be conducted in the month of January 20th.
31st.
Right.
January 20th. So that is 2022. You need not worry. So you need to write your assignments and you can submit at your study centers on or before 31st December.
Okay. But
that was extended.
I need to submit on the study center manually, or is there any way to submit it online?
No online assignments required. Only offline means handwritten responses you need to prepare and you need to submit on or before 31st December. That is the deadline. Before that, so Anupam Chaube already joined. There is no problem. Otherwise, our RD sir may be joined.
Sir, one more query I have.
Tell me.
Sir, at the time of admission, hello.
Tell me, sir.
At the time of admission, I have opted for the e-material. And but till now I'm unable to get it. I'm searching the website a lot. And till last month my enrollment number was not found in the particular websites. Then I have spoken personally with the IGNOU personnel in RC Nagpur. So what can be done with this case?
As per your query, the soft copy of material you may opted. Then the soft copy of material is available in IGNOU eGyan Kosh. One column is there.
I have gone there also. Sorry, eGyan Kosh also have searched.
That material already downloaded.
No, sir, I am not found. But then I have gone there, but this is not related to the PGDCA.
Just what I am asking, just you listen and give the reply. Then only I will clarify your doubt. Okay. Did you find the IGNOU eGyan Kosh column in the IGNOU website?
Yes.
You need to enter your personal details. After that, you enter your program code and enrollment number. Then you need to open it. After that, you can select the program. Then after, you can select the courses. Then after, you can download and you can save it in separate folder, then only you will available and accessible for that material.
Yes, sir. In same way, I have gone in the month of in last month. Same way I have
Ah.
tried. But there, at the time of filling the enrollment number and other details, your details not found. That message I was getting.
Okay. So at that time, the admission date is extended. So that is the reason your admission enrollment number is not confirmed. So now it is accessible. Your enrollment number is available in the IGNOU website also. So student registration details, then you can enter your program code and your enrollment number. After that, it will be accessible and your registration details will appear in the monitor. So according to that, your program and your enrollment number is found it.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay. So now it is accessible.
Yes,
So
sir, sure.
you can try once again. That e-exam course is available. Then another option is, one is IGNOU e-content. One mobile app is also available. Just you can download from the Play Store through your mobile. Just you can download it and you can enter your personal details. Then after you can create user ID and password. Then you can enter that. After that, you can download the study material from IGNOU e-content app. That app is available. So you need to download it and you can save in Google Drive or any other folder in the mobile. Just you can open and you can accessible material. That is the second option. If it is not possible by you, then you can send one request mail to the registrar mpdd@ignou.ac.in. That is our mail ID. The MPDD division is have the registrar. His mail ID is registrar mpdd@ignou.ac.in. That is mail ID. And also you can copy to rcnagpur@ignou.ac.in. According to that mail, we will forward to our MPDD registrar and we will also inquire on that. Then only you will get the soft copy of material. So that is the explanation. So you try to keep that IGNOU e-content app, and also you can access with the IGNOU e-Gyan Kosh. Then it is available. So
Yes, yes,
according
thank
to
you,
that,
thank
you
you.
can do that. Sir,
Yes, yes.
Sheshkumar sir, you wanted to speak?
Yes. See, one thing I just want to inform you all that the IGNOU materials are open source material. Okay, you can be downloaded. It is not necessary to be registered also with enrollment number things, and you can go to the e-Gyan course and search for your program, and you can be download the material. It's free of cost. Anyone can be use the material. And as Venkat sir was saying that you can also download the IGNOU e-content app there in the Play Store, and you can install it and you can start read your materials. There you have to be registered with the enrollment number, other things you can given over there. So that is another way to do it. Or if you find it difficult to get the material, if you send a mail to us, we will send the link to you from where you have to download the material. That also is possible. So don't worry about it. We are here. If any doubts, you can be clarified. You can be send a mail to us. We will look into it and then we will immediately give the reply to you.
Okay, sir. Thank you for
Okay,
your
sir, sure.
explanation. So now I request our regional director, Dr. P. Siraswarup sir, please interact with the learners and speak about the induction meeting, sir. Please.
Good afternoon, friends. Good afternoon, Dr. Venkateswarlu and Dr. Shashi Kumar, my colleagues.
Good afternoon, sir.
It's a pleasure to welcome you all to the fold of IGNOU on behalf of Nagpur Regional Center. And now you are part of the AICTE approved BCA and MCA and MBA programs. And as you know, these are semester based programs. Most of you might have received the study material either by post or soft copy. and try to submit the assignment as it will be explained to you by the Dr. Venkateswarlu. This induction meeting, we intend to inform you how to study through distance mode and what are the university will provide and what are your roles and responsibilities. In this induction meeting, you will be given a bird's eye view of the total study period, and accordingly, please listen to it carefully. And just now we got the mail that the re-registration last date is extended up to 15th December, and many students are saying their data is not available, it is not coming, enrollment number not found. We conveyed it to Delhi, and they will update your records, and it will be activated. And even assignments also up to 31st December you can submit. So please carry on your studies, and whenever you need, we will be there to help you. But majority depends on your efforts, and let us hope you will complete your chosen goal at the minimum period. And we wish you all the best. And Dr. Venkat, please carry on. I have another meeting to attend.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you very much for briefing this induction meeting. Thank you once again. So the time is coming for me. So I want to interact with you, and I want to explain some of the important aspects about the induction meeting. Then only you will aware about the IGNOU and distance mode of education. So all the learners may be coming from conventional mode of education. That is the reason the distance education is different from conventional mode of education. So what is the meaning of distance education, and what is the use of this distance education, and what is the importance of this induction meeting? So I try to explain each and every aspect. After that, the session is open for the discussion. At the time, Dr. Shish Kumar and Tushar Tale and myself, we try to clarify your doubts and what are the queries with you. You can send through our email ID rcinagpur@ignou.ac.in. That is our mail ID. Just you can send it within 1 or 2 days. You can get it reply. That is our assurance. So you please wait 10 to nearly 20 to 30 minutes minimum. So it is very vast experience and vast syllabus. So I wanted to explain each and every aspect and each and every task. So first of all, I would like to congratulate each and every participants on behalf of Regional Center and my own behalf of. So you have chosen right path and right direction for your education. So the distance mode of education is one of the best opportunity to learn the education. After completion of your 10th or intermediate or degree, so you need to choose some jobs. After that, you try to stop the education in the conventional mode. Then only you try to continue the education. So PG diplomas or any other master degree or bachelor degrees. According to that, you need to choose the distance mode of education. That is one of the best opportunity, learning with earning. So that is very, very important task. So already you have been working as a job holders or agriculturist or businessman or any other some private jobs also. So I think so you are being some profession. So you don't have enough time to go to the conventional mode of education system. So regular education means, so within the 4 walls you need to sit down in the 4 walls, and in front of you the teacher will come and explain each and every subject. After that, the exams will be conducted. Then the result will be declared by the university or college, whatever it is. So that is the conventional mode of education. In the distance mode of education, we don't have any classroom teaching. Only counseling sessions will be conducted through offline or online. So in the pandemic situation, we are unable to conduct the offline mode of counseling sessions. So you need not come for the counseling sessions. So just for this session, we try to conduct only online mode of counseling sessions. For that, you need to attend the mobiles or laptops or desktop, whatever it is. So, what is the available instruments? Then you try to interact with the counseling sessions as well as your practical sessions and other components, other meetings also. So, according to that, you need not worry about your study centers, studies. Then you need not feel isolation. I am lonely one. How can I complete this important task and how to complete my studies through distance mode? Earlier, we went on colleges and the teacher will teach in front of us, so they will guide us like that. You don't feel, just you try to follow the instructions, then only you can complete your studies through distance mode. So one of the best opportunity, the distance mode of education. So we don't have enough colleges, enough seats in the graduation and upper PG master degree programs or bachelor degree programs, and diplomas or PG diplomas. So according to that, the shortcoming of seats or facilities. So distance education is the one of the best opportunity. So while learning through learning, that is the our main aim. So we try to reach in the unreaching sectors of the society and a quality education at your doorstep. That is our main motto. We try to provide a quality education. So according to that, IGNOU is one of the major university and mega university in the world. So it was started in 1985 with the instructions of late our beloved Prime Minister Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, with his mother's name Srimati Indira Gandhi. At the time of 1985, he was take the initiations and he wanted to establish distance mode of education in India. Throughout India, we have the study centers. At that time, we started only two diploma programs. One is distance education diploma and another one is mathematics diploma. Within the two diplomas, we have nearly 600 learners in 1985 first session. So after that, the IGNOU was developed so many courses and reaching up to 521 programs with certificates, diplomas and PG diploma, master degree and bachelor's degree and MPhil and PhD. So according to all the programs, we have 521 programs. Due to some circumstances and some backlogs, maybe some on-demand programs also available. That is the reason the entire programs are concluded only 238 programs. So what are the on-demand programs and usable programs, not demanded programs, try to wind up, and we try to develop newly emerging programs and newly good knowledge programs. What are the job opportunities in the field of market. Just we try to develop that type of programs, and we concluding all together now 238 programs. So according to that, so we have nearly 35 to 45 branches in abroad. So IGNOU is one of the world largest university. So quality education at your doorstep. So we try to provide quality education. So according to that, so the quality education means, so our material is very standard, and it is world class education. So we try to quality education, and we try to provide study material to the learners who are already joined in our IGNOU. They will automatically get it study material through hard copies or offline copies or online copies. So IGNOU Kosh is one of the Pustak Bhandagar or library for a soft copy of material. And the audio lectures and video lectures also available through IGNOU Kosh, and one app is available, that is IGNOU e-content, that mobile app. Just you can download from the Play Store. Then you can keep your mobile, automatically you can download it and save it in one folder, and you need not bring any materials to the wherever you have work at that time. You need not bring any hard copy of material. It is very difficult task. So just you keep your study material in your mobile. So whenever you have the leisure, then you try to open and you can start the study. So that is advantage of a soft copy of material, that is easily accessible. No need to pay anything. Just you can go and keep the IGNOU Kosh and IGNOU e-content apps. According to that, you will get the study material. And hard copy of material is very finest material, and it should be provided by IGNOU headquarters. So IGNOU headquarters have the one division, that is MPDD. MPDD means Material Production and Distribution Division. So the division have the register. That register will take the initiations for distribution among the learners, that material. So the hard copy of material will comes through speed post. Just you can get it and don't keep in Alamara or Attica, whatever it is. So you need to open the material, and after that you try to read out entire material. So the material is very quality material. So many civil services aspirants are referred our material, and eminent scholars and eminent professors, renowned professors, 30 years of experienced people will be invited for preparation of study material. According to that, the material will be prepared by experts, and they will take nearly 90 days to 180 days. That means 3 months to 6 months for preparation of one lesson. So how much quality they try to provide it. So that is our material that should be edited by editorial board. Each and every school have the editorial board. The editorial board nearly 5 to 6 times edited that material, and after that the study material go to the language experts. The language experts ready to incorporate simple words and what are the odd words and odd content they try to incorporate, remove, and they try to incorporate simple words and simple sentences. So that is very much useful for preparation of assignments and term and examinations. What is the standard language of learner, they know about that. After that, they try to give very good material to you, so that already you may got it. If you are not able to get it, then you send one request mail to the registrar mpdd@ignou.ac.in. That is our mail ID. Just you can send the mail ID, and you can copy to RC Nagpur @ignou.ac.in. That is our mail ID. The RC staff will interact with the MPDD registrar, and we try to ask the material, and they will provide the material immediately. So according to that, you need to send one mail to the registrar MPDD and copy to the RC Nagpur. So then you will get the material immediately, or within 1 or 2 weeks or 15 days or 20 days, whatever it is. So after that, you try to open the study material and you read out entire material thoroughly. So once you read out entire material thoroughly, then only you will know about the situation. After that, you try to use some of the margins. Each and every page is have the two margins. One margin is right side and another margin is left side. Right side, you try to keep your entire page of or para of content, and you make notes one by one. You try to make the gist in one side, or entire content what is reveals that entire content. Just you try to make the notes in your own words, not copy from the material as it is. There is no use, because the renowned professor, renowned scholars prepared that material. They are very worthy. That is our quality of material. That is not copied by you. It is not relevant, and it is not acceptable. So you try to understood the content. After that, you make your own sentences or own words. Then only the points will be make it in one side. After that, what are the ununderstood content and doubts you have with that particular para or page? Then you try to make it in one side. That is the doubts. So what are the doubts with you for that particular page or para? After that, you need to attend the online counseling or offline counseling. At that time, you need to interact with your doubts with the counselors. So academic counselors are the your experts. They want to take the online counseling sessions or offline counseling sessions, whatever it is. So in pandemic situation, we have conducted only online mode of counseling sessions. So that too 1 hour duration. So for the offline mode, you need to attend the study center, and you stay up to 2 hours for the session. So according to that, you need to attend the counseling sessions, whether it is offline or online, whatever it is. So you need to ask with your doubts with the counselors. The counselor will be clarified your doubts. That is the sequence. That is the criteria of counseling sessions. You need not worried about your doubts. The counselor will be clarified your doubts. One can make the one can ask the doubt, the entire people will be get the answer. So interaction will be taking place, and your doubts and your questions and academic counselor answers. So the interaction session will be going on, and it is very much helpful for remembering of that entire topic. So once you participate in any debate, automatically the entire debate content will be rememberable. So that is the beauty, that is the useful debate. So that is very, very useful for your preparation of term examination as well as assignments. So according to that, you need to complete your doubts. If you have any doubts, please send through WhatsApp. So the study center staff will be create the WhatsApp groups with the program wise. Then they will send all the information to you through WhatsApp groups. After that, you need not send any mobile numbers or any other things. Just you receive the WhatsApp group. After that, you interact with them. So the list of learners and with phone numbers and email IDs already we have sent to the study centers. So that the study centers ready to make the WhatsApp groups. Then you will get the information from the study center. So they will send the counseling schedules and counseling link, online link also. So that is the useful for all the learners. So WhatsApp groups are very much helpful for getting information and interacting with the other colleagues and other participants and your academic counselors and study center staff and also regional center staff. So you try to interact with them and you can resolve your doubts and you try to prepare your own way. So that is the beauty of WhatsApp groups. So that is very useful. So the initiations will be taken by coordinators. So I request all the coordinators, please made the WhatsApp groups with program wise. Then only they will interact with you and they will interact with them. So whenever they have the doubts, then they will share through WhatsApp. Automatically, the learners will interact with each and every one. After that, you can interact with them. So the learners will be happy. So that is the beauty of WhatsApp groups. After that, you need to prepare the assignment responses. Dr. Sheshkumar also told you. So preparation of assignment is very important. So you need not copy from the material or you need not copy from the other colleagues and internet. So it is very objectionable and your evaluator will be observed that thing. Then they will give the 0 marks. Your effort is 0. So the material is prepared by renowned scholars and professors. So their worth is very high. That same material will be copied by you and you can paste in the assignment responses. What is the use? You don't have any knowledge. You don't have any effort. So you try to understood the concept and make your own words or you can prepare one your own sentences. After that, you try to give the answers for assignments as well as term and examination questions. So that is very useful. Your effort is 100%. Otherwise, you copy paste simply everyone, the third class or fourth class students also ready to copy from the material and paste it and they will submit. There is no use. So copy paste method, it is very dangerous. You don't have any work, you don't learn anything from the material. You try to understand what I am said to you. That is very important. You try to prepare well. After that, you make the notes or gist or idea, whatever it is. Then you can prepare that assignments as well as your answers in terminal examinations with your own sentence or your own words. That is very useful and it is some effort done by you. That is very rememberable also. So one time writing is equal to 10 times reading. That is the beauty of writing. So you need to write some of the important topics or some of the important particular aspects, and you try to get it. That is very much helpful for preparation of assignment as well as your government examinations. Once you done any hard work in earlier, that experience will be helpful for further. So the same situation will be happen in the studies. So you need to follow the same thing, and it is very essential, and it is very useful. You will get 100 marks in the assignments. 30% weightage will be given to the assignments. So 70% weightage will be given to the government examination. According to that, 30 out of 30 marks you may get it with your own preparation. Then that preparation will be very useful for government examinations also. So both sides you will benefited, and both sides you will get 100% marks. If you copy from your colleagues or material or any internet material, automatically you don't have any role and you don't get any knowledge for that purpose. So easily you try to understand, and you try to submit your assignments on or before due date. Due date means kind of July session. You need to submit assignments in the month of March. 31st is the last day. March 31st is the last date. So you need to submit your assignments in your study centers. So study center is have the evaluators, the academic counselors are evaluators. So they wanted to evaluate the assignment responses. The regional center and other centers does not have the evaluators. So the study centers have the evaluators. You need to submit your assignments in your study center by speed post or register post or by person. There is no problem. So don't send a ordinary post. Ordinary. Hello, you wait. Please wait. Don't disturb. I will conclude this meeting, my speech within 5-10 minutes. Then only you will ask your doubts. Then we will try to clarify your doubts. So the assignments is very important. 30% weightage will be given. So out of 30, you need to get 30%. Then you have government examinations. So 70% weightage will be given to the government examination. Out of 70, you don't expect anything, because the examiner may be asked in each and every corner of the subject. They are very much familiar with the subject and they are knowing about the situation, and in our IGNOU, the same question will not repeat within 10 years. Within 10 years, the same question will not repeat again. So that is the quality of education. So the subject is same, but the pattern of asking is different. Sometimes they may be asked the effect of the subject, and sometimes they are asked merits and demerits, sometimes the causes, sometimes what is the impact of that particular subject in the society. Sometimes please give an outline, sometimes cross-examine. They are asking different types of questions, and each and every corner also they go to the material and they try to see and what type of questions we need to ask for the exams. So they are very much clever, and they want to ask each and every corner of the material. So you try to read out thoroughly, then only you will give the answers. So 50% may be expected, but what happened? So the examiner also prepare three types of questions. One is clever and another one is average students, and third one is below average students are very less knowledge persons maybe. So dull students. So that is the reason the clever students may be 30%. So for example, in a classroom we have 100 students. Out of 100, 30% will comes under clever students. So that is the first class group. So they want to learn something from the material, and they are interacting with the counselors, and they are interacting with colleagues, and automatically they will get the knowledge, and they try to give the answers. What are the questions asked by the examiner? Then they will try to face it, and they try to give the answers. That is not a big issue. So 30% they will clevers, and automatically they will get the first class marks. So according to that, 30% is over, and the remaining 7% of learners in the class. So remaining 30% of learners will be comes under average class, and they are medium group. That means not more than clevers, not more than losers or below average students. So that is the medium group. So medium group will be a passed group only. They will get 35, 40 or 40 to 50. In between, they will get the marks. So that is the average group and the medium group. So they will also pass. That is not a big issue. And out of 100 learners, so 60% they will get pass. So remaining 40% will comes under below average or dull students. So they are not able to give good answers, and they are not able to study frequently, and they wanted to read out thoroughly, and once, twice, or thrice, or it may be taken place in 10 times. So that is the below average group. So they want to read more and more, and they wanted to write and write. Then only they will know about the subject. After that, they wanted to give the assignment responses, and the term and examinations responses also given to the examiner. So that is the situation. The 40% is very dull students. They are not able to find the right answer. So they easily they don't want to understand. So they want to do hard work. Then only they will get the knowledge. After that, they will put good effort. Then they will pass. That is the classroom situation. So according to that, so in IGNOU also, what are the groups we have? That groups nearly 100 members or 150, or sometimes it may be happen 1,000 or 1,500, whatever it is. When I was working in Deoghar, at that time we have one PGDRD program. So in that group we have 1,500 students. Only one program we have 1,500 in one regional center. Oh, we have 67 regional centers throughout the India. So according to that, that program is very, very demanded, and who are ready to get the admission into PGDRD, they will ready to pass. Then after the Jharkhand government ready to provide the job opportunities to the Gramin योजना कार्यक्रम, वो कार्यक्रम में वो लोग जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी दे दिया. देने के बाद वो लोग ये प्रोग्राम में ज्यादा आदमी ज्वाइन किया. इसके लिए वो लोग का ज्यादा जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिल गए. अभी भी ऐसा बहुत प्रोग्राम्स है. ये प्रोग्राम्स में आप पढ़ाई कर सकते. So according to that, so some of the programs are very, very demanded. They will easily get the job opportunities. So that purpose you need to do hard work. Then only you will survive, and then you will get the results. That is the reason you try to do hard work, and that is one of the important tasks you need to complete. So 30 out of 30 marks you will get it. Each and every component, it should be treated as 100 marks. So 100 out of, so how many marks you will get? So that means 30 out of 30 means 100 out of 100 marks with your hand. So that useful for preparation of term examinations also, and that is very much helpful for getting good scores in final grade. That means both will be added in the final grades, the assignments and the term examinations. So the term examinations cannot be expected. Some other questions may be expected, 50% may be expected, and the questions will be answered. Remaining 50% you need to do the hard work, then only you will give the answers. That is the reason the assignment component is very much helpful for passing percentage. So the passing percentage is very high in IGNOU due to this reason. So term and exams, it is very hard. We cannot expect any questions. So according to that, we need to do hard work. So 30 marks you need to keep in your hand. After that, you can prepare term and examinations. So 30 plus 15% or 10% you may be get it in term and examinations. Automatically you will get the pass marks. 40% is the pass marks for diploma and the PG diploma and degree and master degree programs. So for certificate programs, only 35 marks is the pass percentage. So according to that, 30% within your hand and remaining 10% maybe get it from the term and examinations. Both will be added in the final grade, and automatically your result will be high and you will be pass easily. So in the results of IGNOU, so more number of learners will get high ranks. So all the learners got the first class. According to this assignment component is 30%, remaining 30% or 35%. That means I was already explained, 50% of term and examination questions will be expected by anyone, and they try to give answer. So according to that, 70% given the term and examination weightage. According to that, 30% or 35% you may be get in the term and examinations, and 30% is available in assignments. Both will be added, and it should be 60 or 65. Your result will be in first class. That is the reason more number of candidates will be passed in first division. So some of the candidates will be passed in distinction division, and also who are ready to pass in distinction division, then automatically the IGNOU will give the awards to them. So the cash prize and gold medal also available. So at a time you need to complete same program in same time, then only you will get good marks through the assignment as well as term and examinations. You are eligible for apply for the gold medal also. So throughout India, you are in the global level. So you try to national level competition, and you try to get it good marks. After that, you can apply for the gold medal, and automatically you will get that. So according to that, you need to complete your program with your own work and hard work, then only you will survive and you will get it. So every convocation we have 2 or 3 gold medals for regional center Nagpur. According to that, last time PGDCA, PGDAC, postgraduate diploma in analytical chemistry, we have one gold medal. One lady student maybe belongs to Chandrapur or Gadchiroli, whatever it is. So she was owned that gold medal, and after that, one PG JMC student also got the gold medal last year. So according to that, so the advantages are very high in IGNOU. You try to get it and you do some hard work, then only you will achieve that gold medals also. So once you think over that and you try to achieve, so what is your position? Just you can see, and automatically the opportunities comes with you, and they wanted to search with you, and you try to get it all the opportunities. So this is the term and examinations, and after that you need to complete some important task, that is submission of assignment. 31st March is the last date for submission of assignment by speed post or register post or by person. So it is very useful. You need to get acknowledgement slips from the study center. So you send by post, automatically the speed post acknowledgement also with you. Then the assignments responses keep in separate cabin or anything else. Your assignments responses not available and they are not able to evaluate it, and you will not get marks for the assignments. According to that, you need to provide that acknowledgement slips to them, and they will search and they will, oh, he was submitted his assignment through speed post or register post. He have the acknowledgement or by person he was collected some acknowledgement slips from the study center. Automatically you have the right, and you try to ask the coordinator thoroughly, and after that they will checking thoroughly, then only you will get the marks. Sometimes what happened, the assignment responses received by the security guard and any attendant or any other person, they will keep in one side, and that should be not rememberable, and they will try to forget it, and after that the assignment responses not hand over to the coordinator or academic counselors. They will not able to evaluate it, and your marks will not be updated. So it is the problematics at that time. You will save with the acknowledgement slips, then only they will search thoroughly, and after that you have the right to ask the coordinator and academic counselors, then only they will the responsibilities. So that is the important task. You need to complete it, and you get the acknowledgement slips from them. That is one important task. So you need to complete the task within a time bound manner. And another thing, you need to complete online term and examination application. That is one of the important tasks. If you join in a PG diploma program or diploma program, automatically you will eligible for the term and examination. But you need to apply for the term and examination with payment of 200 rupees per course. So how many courses you have opted for the diploma or PG diploma or master degree or bachelor degree, then you can multiply with the courses, and after that you can make the total payment through payment gateways. That is, one is internet banking, and another one is credit card, and third one is debit card. With that three payment gateways we have, then you need to pay the fee. That is one of the important tasks, and also you need to enter your examination center code as well as RC code. That is very important, otherwise your all ticket will not be generated by IGNOU. So the IGNOU does not have the photocopy or photo of the hall ticket, so we are not able to ask the photo. Sometimes it may be happen, they will take the photo from the application and automatically they will paste it in the hall ticket, then the hall ticket will be provided photo. That is not a big issue, but Generally what we think, the IGNOU hall ticket not have the photo. So at that time you need to download the hall ticket and you need to download the ID card. The two things you need to bring the examination centers, then only your candidate will be allowed. Otherwise it is problematic. They will easily stop and they try to send back. So don't lose your examinations. Just you bring ID card as well as hall ticket. Both will be helpful for allowing your candidate into the examination hall. That is very, very important. You need not lose your exams. So that is compulsory. And also we have one flexibility, that is wherever you want to apply for the termed examinations, then you try to give your examination throughout the India, not world. So world means we have nearly 35 to 40 branches in abroad, but their timings are different. We are unable to give the chance to the abroad. So only within India we may allow. So 67 regional centers and 3,000 study centers. So according to that, you are allowed in anywhere of India. So according to that, you have any emergency work in examinations time. So you need not lose your emergency work and you need to attend that emergency work in Delhi or Chennai or Bangalore or Jaipur, whatever it is, or Hyderabad. Though then after you need to attend the personal work or office work in that particular area. After that, you need to ask the nearest regional center for appearing of termed examinations in particular area or location. Then the regional center try to find the examination question paper. After that, the question paper is available, then only they will allow for attending the termed examinations in that particular area. This is the one unique feature. No one university ready to provide this unique feature. So their limitation is very, very limited, and they are confined into 1 or 2 districts, or sometimes it may be 5 or 10 districts, not more than that. So in our India, we have nearly 221 or 26 districts. According to that, so it is a very vast area. So they don't have flexibility. That is the reason no one university ready to give the opportunity. So you can have the flexibility, and we have throughout study centers and regional centers throughout India. Then we permit it. Wherever you have the urgent work at the time of examinations, you need to attend the work, as well as you need to appear the termed examinations. Wherever you have the work at that time, you need to ask the permission for appearing of termed examination in particular location. The regional center will look after the examination question papers and they will allow. So emergency bag, every regional center have that facility. So they try to find the question paper, and after that they will allow as a stray cases. Every session we have 1, 2, 3 or 4, 5 stray cases in each examination center. That flexibility is available. You need to avail that facility. So this is one of the unique feature. So this type of activity we try to provide each and every program. So already our regional directors have बोल दिया ना, आप क्या बोल दिया, ये minimum duration maximum duration रहता है हर एक program में. Don't go for the maximum duration, just you need to complete your program within a minimum duration. Minimum duration means PG diploma and other programs within a minimum duration. That means certificate is 6 months, and diploma and PG diploma is 1 year, and bachelor degree program is 3 years, and master degree program is 2 years. So MBA is minimum 5 years. Sorry, minimum 2.5 years and maximum 5 years now. So earlier we have 8 years validity, but it was concluded, and it should be only 5 years within. They are reducing the duration, and within 5 years you need to complete that. CHASA only. So recent guidelines, we have only 4 years duration for MP program. Within that, you need to complete your 21 courses. For that purpose, you need to complete this MP program within a 4 years. Minimum is 2 years, maximum is 4 years. According to that, you need to complete. Master degree programs, minimum 2 years, maximum 5 years. So degree programs, minimum 3 years and maximum 6 years. And certificate 6 months program, and maximum duration is 2 years, and diploma and PG diploma is 1 year, and maximum is 3 years. Some programs may be extended up to 4 years. So according to that, you need to complete your programs. You don't go for the maximum duration, just you can complete your program within a minimum duration. June 21 onwards, we don't have readmission facility in IGNOU. Earlier, we have the readmission facility after completion of your maximum period. You need to go for the readmission process. Just they will provide minimum duration for certificate 6 months, and master degree and degree 2 years, and diploma is 1 year. They will provide additional duration. That was already wound up, and the readmission process already closed in our IGNOU after June 21. So you don't have any opportunity for additional duration. So within the maximum duration, you need to complete it anyhow. So you don't go for that way also. You complete your program within a minimum duration, that is 1 year. 1 year will be very, very long period, and you try to complete your program within a minimum duration, then your opportunities will come, and your aim will be success. That is the minimum duration. So some of the important rules and regulations with us. So at that time we will inform you. We will send guidelines to you for through your mail. So already we have sent it. So important guidelines for the fresh learners. So that was already received by you, I think. So if you are not received or not read it, just you can read it again, and you follow the same instructions, same rules and regulations. So early declaration results and revaluation and change of name, change of subject, some corrections in the name and father's name and guardian name. So many things are available. Just you can send one request mail to us, then you can return your queries in that. Then automatically we will respond within 1 or 2 days. Then only you will get it the information. Our phones are very, very busy, so sometimes it may be not acceptable. So that is the reason you send by mail. It is very fine. Otherwise, it is problematic. Don't go for the phones. Phones are very, very busy and engaged, and sometimes it may not reachable. So due to that, you may be wasted your patience. So that is the condition. You send one request mail to us, then automatically we will clarify your doubts within 1 or 2 days. So definitely we will send it. That is our assurance. Thank you one and all for giving this opportunity. listening with patience. So thank you one and all. So the session is open for the discussion. Then you try to ask your questions one by one, and you want to open your mic and you try to uh, ask your doubts with very simple words, not simple, within one or two sentence, not more than that. That means, please ask.
Hello. Sir, can I ask you one query?
Yes, yes, definitely. The session is open
Sir,
for the discussion.
yes. Sir, my name is Dr. Deepshri Dekhne, and I enrolled for PGDOM. ODL mode. I have chosen ODL learning mode. And
This
sir,
is IGNOU is have the distance mode of education. ODL means open and distance learning.
हाँ सर, I have मतलब मेरी जो स्टडी मटेरियल है that I have taken online, not the study material books मैंने नहीं ली है, ऑनलाइन मटेरियल मैंने सिलेक्ट किया है.
Okay, okay, fine. The
And so
online
my-
link is available. So
Yes,
you
sir.
through or e-content app, both will be available. Just you can download the study material from them.
Sir, regarding this, I have a query. Sir, actually my code is MS55, MS56 and MS07. And I have gone through the e-content Swayam material and as well as the e-Gyan Kosh material. है ना? Then the sir, my problem is that the most of diagrams and the figures in that MS55, MS56 and MS07 are missing. So it is very difficult for me to matlab complete my assignment also, and it is hard to study from that study materials. So I will not get good marks, I think so. And I have, sir, I have mailed my query to the Delhi center, and they replied me and sent me a link. But that is the contents I have just gone through earlier. So the problem is same, and I asked with the study center. They told me that we'll not be able to solve your query. Please ask with the study center. Please ask with the Delhi center. So sir, what can I do?
So the soft copy material will be available through e-Gyan Kosh or e-content app. So that is two options. And one more option is the soft copy link will be provided by register MPDD. So that was also you have received and you try to open the link. So the same situation will be happen. After that, you are vexed. Then I am not able to download that material. What can I do now? You are asking like.
No,
Yes?
sir, I have already downloaded the material and go through e-Gyan Kosh and e-content app and all the matlab links. But the problem same there. In all the contents, the diagrams and figures are missing. And I have taken the pics and sent my query to Delhi center also. But I have not got the solution. So I am unable to study from that material and unable to complete my assignment also.
Madam, I want to clear one thing. The diagrams are very, very fixed with the separate soft copy. So that soft copy is not accessible for the different modes of printing. So sometimes what happened, so the same WPS or some conversion, maybe conversion apps also available in the online mode. Just you try to download that apps and you try to convert that diagrams in the app. After that you try to get the printout. That is the one option. Other option is what are the diagrams with the material who are opted hard copy of material. That material you need to get the Xerox. What are the diagrams with that? Just you can Xerox it. After that you follow the instructions and you read out thoroughly. So that is the second option. Third option, what are the diagrams in that particular courses? You need to ask to provide. So the soft copy material will not be downloaded through diagrams. So I am unable to get the diagrams from the material. So kindly provide the particular diagrams in hard copy. Then you send one mail to registrar NPDD. Then they will provide that particular diagrams through hard copy.
Sir,
These
can
are
you
the
please
opportunities.
tell me,
These are the
sir,
opportunities. What is your interest? We don't know. According to that, you follow.
fine. Sir, please give me the मतलब आपका जो link और what is the email address? Registrar MPDD.
Registrar mpdd@igno.ac.in.
Thank you, sir.
That was already appeared in the chat box. My office assistant Rajesh is available, so he was already sent to that register mpdd@igno.ac.in mail ID in the chat box. Just you can see already this is available, so it is appeared. Just you can copy it.
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you.
Hello.
Good evening, sir. So I'm
Good evening.
Ritika Singh, and I have enrolled for MBA course,
Hmm.
and so I have opted for study material in hard copy.
Hmm.
So, sir, there's already very less time to complete these assignments till 31st December,
Hmm.
and so I'm
Your
having my
program
company.
is semester-based program, na?
Yes, sir, semester wise. And so
No.
I'm having my company secretary exams this
Hmm.
December from 21st to 28th December.
Hmm.
So what if I will not be able to submit the assignments till the
Okay, madam,
31st?
that is not a big issue. You try to escape from this December session, and you need to appear the term and examination, as well as you can submit your assignments for next June session. In the month of March, you need to submit your assignments. After that, you need to fill the online application for the term and examination for June 2022. So according to that, you need to skip this December session and you go for the June session.
Sir, so the assignments will be same or different for March
Different,
20?
different. Each and every session we have separate question paper. So one question paper is valid for the two cycles of term and examination. For that, the question paper itself declare this question paper is valid for June session or December session, both sometimes. So according to that, you see the guidelines and what are the instructions given in the examination paper, assignment question paper, then you can follow.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Rupam, boliye, what is your problem? I am unable to see, so only 1 or 2 seconds appear in the mobile, so I am not able to read out entire mail or entire content.
So,
So,
hello, sir.
boliye.
So, what is the program code of the new MBA program?
MP.
MBA, the July 2021 session. I wanted to know the program code because the IGNOU students have required the program code to log into the app, and also various portals of IGNOU requires those program code.
That is MBA. Okay.
Yes.
And it should be treated as MP. MP means management program.
Management program. Okay.
Yes, MP. Only MP is the code.
Only MP. Okay.
Fine.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Any other?
Sir, one more question is that the Nagpur Center has one Telegram group, and that is closed only for the moderator to post messages regarding the official statement by IGNOU, correct? So, is it possible that the group gets converted into
Telegram
open
group
chat?
link is available. Just you can send one mail to us, then automatically we will send the link for the Telegram group. After that, you will join.
So I am part of the Telegram group, but what I wanted to say is that we are not able to post our queries directly to the group. So is it possible for the moderator of the Telegram app to open the chat section for the participants of the group?
That facility is not available. Just what are the queries with you? That is very, very difficult to send all the group members. So
Okay.
what are the doubts or what are the queries with you? Just you can send by mail. That mail will be replied by us within 1 or 2 days. So that
Okay, sir.
option is not available.
Okay, sir. So one more
What
question.
are the WhatsApp groups? You send it. What are the
Okay.
query with you? Then the WhatsApp group will allow. There is no problem.
Sir, can the moderator send me the WhatsApp group link?
The coordinator will create the WhatsApp group link and they will send to you.
Okay, sir. Sir, I also wanted to know if when the MBA classes are starting, manually in person.
They will not manually. Now the July session academic counseling will conducted only online mode only. So offline mode it is possible. Then the coordinator will look after that, and after that they will inform to you through mail or WhatsApp, whatever it is. So the facility is not available now. So is there any other opportunity? Then they will inform to you for online consultations will be taken place
Okay.
for
Thank you,
this
sir.
session.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir. The session was very informative, and I look forward to gaining that gold medal on the convocation date.
Definitely. You try
Thank you, sir.
to do some hard work,
Okay.
and we are also helping in that. So, what are the queries with you? Then you try to ask. Then we will clarify within 1 or 2 days through mail. So there is no big issue. You try to do hard work, then only you will get it. It is
Okay.
not a big issue. Who will try to do hard work, they will easily get it.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, I'm Yojana and I have two questions. I wanted to ask regarding WhatsApp group, from where do we get the link? Because
So
I'm
the
in.
coordinator will send the WhatsApp group link with program wise. Automatically you will get it.
Sorry, who will send? I missed it.
Coordinator.
Okay.
Coordinator.
So do we need to ask individually or they will
No,
definitely?
no need. Already we have sent the list of learners with program wise and their mobile numbers and email address already we have sent. So they will create the link within a week. Then automatically they will send the link to you. Then you try to interact with them.
Oh, that is good. And one thing regarding practicals, will they answer? Like, how will we complete the practical component for environmental sciences?
Yes, the practical component is available. Just you try to ask Dr. Siddiqui Madam, Akvi Siddiqui Madam, Institute of Science. She is the coordinator of that Institute of Science. So the study center code is 36009. So she will take care about the practical sessions. So the offline sessions are not available. Yesterday she was sent one mail to us that is the offline mode practicals we are not able to conduct in our institute. So we are not done anything in the pandemic situation. So we tried to conduct practicals through online only. She told us. So according to that, we have sent one mail to the registrar SAD. So they will also know the situation. So the Omicron pandemic is very, very dangerous. So Omicron virus coming from African states, though it is very problematic. Now every country ready to follow the instructions and they try to follow the instructions and they try to uh, lockdown
Right.
they were imposed us.
So right now for term exams, sir, we need not worry about the practicals. We have to just complete the assignments of the 3 components. That's all we have to submit, right? Right now.
Yes.
And
Your term exams only offline mode. Whenever we have the practical exams, at that time you need to follow the guidelines and you need to interact with online or offline. So everything will be informed to you through mail and WhatsApp. So according to that, you need to follow. So the term and examinations already we have conducted 2 cycles of term and examinations in the pandemic duration. So this time also we will conduct only offline. The online practicals, online term and examinations will not accessible. So only offline mode term and examinations will be taking place for coming years or coming time.
I think you mean to say online will take place, right?
No. For term and examinations, you will appear only offline mode. Offline means so you need to attend the examination center.
Okay, we have to attend offline now.
Yes, term and exams will conducted only offline mode. So the practical sessions we have conducted through online.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Saloni, बोलिए.
Sir, ask you any question, please.
You can ask.
सर बीसीए का ऑनलाइन मटेरियल कहाँ पे मिलेगा ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का
ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का शेड्यूल बना के आपको भेजेगा व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में, नहीं तो मेल में भेजेगा.
ठीक है सर अभी चालू होने के क्या
within 1 week you may get it that online counseling schedule or offline counseling schedule, whatever it is. So the coordinator will send that schedule to you through WhatsApp or you can get it through mail.
ओके सर थैंक
Thank you.
सर
वर्षा जी बोलिए.
सर ये सर एमबीए के लिए अलग से व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बनाया है क्या, क्योंकि मुझे ऐड नहीं किया गया और ना ही मुझे लिंक मिली है सर उसकी.
Okay, it is already created by our Tushar Tale. So sir was already told you the link is available. So they will send it. There is no problem. Already MP group WhatsApp already they have created. So they will send it within a week.
सर
You will get
लेकिन
it.
मिला नहीं है हम लोगों को जो इसमें
Within
भी
a
मिला
week
है.
you will get it.
Okay.
I will also inform to him, and please send that link to all the learners who are enrolled in MP or PGDOM and VGDHRE. Some programs also, management related programs also, they will get it. So through WhatsApp groups with program wise.
सर और एक क्वेरी है मुझे. ये जो एमबीए का अपन जो असाइनमेंट सबमिट करने वाले हैं, तो ये जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर एग्जाम में अपन अपीयर नहीं हो पाए तो भी असाइनमेंट सबमिट करना जरूरी है क्या?
Exam, whether it is attend or not, that is not a criteria. You need to submit your assignments in any session. Then once you submit it, you will be passed. That is valid for entire program.
ओके मतलब इस बार में अगर प्रोवाइड किए सबमिट किए तो अगले बार अपने को सबमिट करना नहीं है.
नहीं.
Okay,
entire program period you need not submit again. That is valid for the entire program period. For example, MP program
और
is
सर
4
अगर
years validity.
एखाद सब्जेक्ट का अपन इस बार नहीं कर पाए सबमिशन, तो फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम कर सकते हैं ना असाइनमेंट सबमिशन?
कर सकते.
ओके
ठीक है. देयर इज नो ऑब्जेक्शन. ठीक है. एक बार आप सबमिट किया, पास हो गया असाइनमेंट्स, that is valid for entire program period. That means for a MP program, 4 years validity. So the entire period, the assignments will be carry forward.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
It is valid. Any more?
Sir, good afternoon. This side Virendra Rathod, sir.
Virendra,
Sir, I am pursuing in PGDRM course. So I am not getting any assignment so far. I enrolled in September batch.
No one ready to get the assignment question papers. You
Okay.
need to download from the IGNOU website. First
Sir,
of all, you go to the student zone. After that, you can enter student zone. Then only the registration details will be appear, and also assignment one column is available. Just you can click on that. After that, you need to enter your program code and your enrollment number. Then only your assignment question paper will be open. That should be downloaded by you, and you need to prepare the assignment responses.
So from where we get it?
Through IGNOU website.
Okay.
www.ignou.ac.in. That is our website.
Okay.
So you need to open the home page. After that, you need to click the student zone. Then after, it should be reflect registration details. Then you try to click on that. After that, the program code and enrollment number both will be asked by monitor. Then you need to enter that details. Then you need to enter CAPTCHA. After that, the registration details will be available in the monitor. Then the links are available in down side. That assignment link is available. Just you can click on that. What are the courses in that program and what are the opted courses by you? Both will be checked by you. And after that, what are the course codes with you? Then you can click on that. Automatically, you can download the question paper.
Sir,
and
one more
get it
thing.
print. And after that, you prepare the assignment responses.
Okay. Sir, one more thing. If we can change any opted our courses, like we opted 2 courses,
If you
we can
want
change.
to change, it should be problematic now because you need to pay some charges. That means 350 rupees for 6 credit course, I think.
Yes.
So according to that, you need to apply
Change.
for the change of course.
Okay. And I'm appearing in July batch. So my assignment will be submission in March or now in 31st of December? March.
Your program is
1 year.
semester-based program or year-based?
1 year, sir. Is a PGDRM course.
1 year means it is need to submit in the month of March.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
हेलो
हेलो
हेलो सर, तुलसी डाल कर रहा हूँ
हाँ बोलिए
सर। जो सेकंड सेमेस्टर है उसमें रीएडमिशन करना पड़ेगा, रजिस्ट्रेशन उसका फी पे करना पड़ेगा।
रजिस्ट्रेशन करना है। कौन सा प्रोग्राम आपका?
नहीं हुआ नहीं
आपका क्या सवाल है, फिर से बोल दो।
री रजिस्ट्रेशन करना पड़ेगा सेकंड सेमेस्टर के लिए।
सेकंड सेमेस्टर थर्ड सेमेस्टर कितना सेमेस्टर से है तो उतना सेमेस्टर का रजिस्ट्रेशन करना जरूरी है।
अच्छा, उसका फीस भी पे करना पड़ता है?
हाँ, फीस भी भरना पड़ेगा।
अच्छा सर, मैंने उसमें फर्स्ट टाइम
फर्स्ट टाइम। हेलो बोलिए। हेलो हाँ, पूरा बोल दिए आप।
पहले फर्स्ट
हाँ
जी, मैंने फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में जब एडमिशन लिया था तब मैंने स्कॉलरशिप का ऑप्शन चूज किया था। उसके रिगार्डिंग मुझे कुछ कंफर्मेशन या मेल कुछ आया नहीं है।
ये कौन सा प्रोग्राम है आपका? मास्टर डिग्री या पीजी डिप्लोमा?
पीजी डिप्लोमा।
पीजी डिप्लोमा इन विच कोर्स? पूरा बोल दिए।
पीजीडीसीए न्यू प्रोग्राम एप्लीकेशन, न्यू एप्लीकेशन।
अच्छा, PGDCA new application. This PGDCA is not have the exemption. Just you can get the scholarship from any other government agencies, not IGNOU. IGNOU don't have any scholarships. Okay.
Okay.
You need to apply any scholarship in outside the IGNOU.
Okay.
According to that, we need to give one fees receipt to you. PGDCA का कितना पैसा आप भर दिया है तो उतना पैसा का हम लोग रिसिप्ट दे सकते हैं. वो रिसिप्ट से आप अप्लाई कर सकते हैं दूसरा गवर्नमेंट और प्राइवेट वॉट एवर इट इज. सो वो एजेंसी से वो मिनिस्टर से कुछ अवेलेबल है तो वो लोग से बात करके अप्लाई करना है. हमारा पास स्कॉलरशिप्स नहीं है. इग्नू में स्कॉलरशिप नहीं है. पीजी डिप्लोमा का भी नहीं है. ये हमारा पास सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा और कुछ पीजी डिप्लोमा प्रोग्राम्स एंड डिग्री प्रोग्राम्स वो SC/ST लोग का फी एग्जेम्पशन है. ये मास्टर डिग्री प्रोग्राम्स का एग्जेम्पशन नहीं है. पीजी डिप्लोमा का भी नहीं होगा शायद. ये PGDCA न्यूली लॉन्च ना वो वाला नहीं है. ओके
ओके थैंक यू.
Hello, sir.
हेलो.
Sir, I'm Anjali and I have enrolled for MSc Environmental Science. Sir, I have already submitted my assignment in online mode. So, do I need to submit it again in offline mode?
Online mode means you have submitted through mail ID.
RC Nagpur. Yeah.
RC नागपुर मेल ID के लिए अप्लाई किया, अटैच कर दिया मेल पे.
Yes.
ठीक है. अगर आप मिले है तो ठीक है, नहीं मिला है तो हार्ड कॉपी जमा कर सकते हैं. आपका पास हार्ड कॉपी है तो स्टडी सेंटर में जाके वो जमा कर दो, नहीं तो पोस्ट से भेज दो. ये स्पीड पोस्ट और रजिस्टर पोस्ट पे भेज दो, वो लोग ले लेगा. आपका स्टडी सेंटर कौन सा है मालूम है?
What, sir?
आपका स्टडी सेंटर कौन सा है?
Yeah, Institute of Science.
उसमें भेज दो हार्ड कॉपी.
Okay then, but sir, how will I get the receipt then if I'll send it in?
You can send by speed post na. That speed post acknowledgement already given to you na at the time of speed post. That is enough.
Okay then. Okay then. Thank you, sir.
Or you can ask assignment submission slips through the coordinator. Then they will send by post.
Hello,
you can,
sir. Okay.
Send one envelope cover.
Okay.
Then they will send back to you.
Okay then, sir. Thank you.
Along with
Hello,
postal stamps. Hello.
सर माय नेम इज रोमा. सर मुझे अब तक स्टडी मटेरियल फॉर BCA का रिसीव नहीं हुआ है.
ये चेंज हुआ है ना, इसके लिए आप रजिस्ट्रार mpdd@igno.ac.in इसमें मेल भेज दो. वो लोग जल्दी भेजने के लिए कोशिश करेगा. कॉपी टू RC नागपुर को कॉपी कर दो. ये रजिस्ट्रार MPDD को मेल भेज दो.
ओके सर. एंड सर असाइनमेंट लिंक पे मैं जा रही हूँ तो वहाँ वो जो एरर दिखा रहे हैं, एक व्हाट्सएप पे मुझे लिंक आई है बाय इग्नू, बट वहाँ पे मैं जाती हूँ वेब से तो योर कनेक्शन इज नॉट प्राइवेट करके लिख के आता है.
वो नीचे एक ऑप्शन रहता है, वो उसमें क्लिक कर दो. कंटिन्यू विद द एडवांस. उसके नीचे भी और लिंक रहता है, वो भी कंटिन्यू कर दो. ऐसा वो योर कनेक्शन इज प्राइवेट, इट इज नॉट ऑथेंटिकेटेड, वो ऐसा आता है कभी कभी. वो आने के बाद एडवांस में क्लिक कर दो. इसका नीचे वो भी क्लिक कर दो, वो कंटिन्यू हो जाएगा.
ओके सर. एंड सर वन मोर क्वेश्चन कि हम लोग फिर असाइनमेंट सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे? स्टडी मटेरियल नहीं है हमारे पास तो.
या ऑनलाइन में जाइए. ऑनलाइन इग्नू कोर्स एक ऐप है, ये वेबसाइट में है. ये वाला से आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. दूसरा मोबाइल ऐप इग्नू कंटेंट का मोबाइल ऐप है, उसमें भी आप डाउनलोड करके वो आप असाइनमेंट लिख सकते। अगर ऐसा नहीं हुआ है तो आप रजिस्टर एमपीडीडी में एक मेल भेज दो, कॉपी हमारा आसी नागपुर में भेज दो। हाँ, दोनों से आपको मटेरियल आने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे। विद इन ए मंथ यू विल गेट इट।
ओके सर। एंड सर लास्ट सबमिशन डेट कब है बीसीए की?
असाइनमेंट का
हाँ सर।
ये December 31 है ना लास्ट डेट।
ओके ओके सर।
ये सेमेस्टर बेस्ड प्रोग्राम है ना, इसके लिए बोल रहा
हाँ सर। हाँ सर।
December
थैंक यू सर।
31।
ओके थैंक यू सर।
और so the session up to continue 4 o'clock. So this was planned only 2 to 3:30. So it is continue. So if you have any doubts, please ask. Otherwise, we try to conclude this.
Sir, just one last question.
Okay, okay, fine. You can ask.
You said the exams are going to be offline, but the
Yes.
assignments we can upload on send on email, right? Okay.
Assignments you can get the scan copy. After that, you can create the folder and attach with that mail.
Yeah, I
Then
have
it is
created the drive and I have shared it with all the people.
or anyhow you need to write the assignments through hand. You need to submit hard copy by speed post or register post. The acknowledgement slip will be provided by postal department. That is very much useful. And also you need to ask and you need to send one envelope, self address envelope. They will provide the self address envelope through that assignment submission slips. That is also fine.
And no, I have uploaded it yesterday, thinking that yesterday was the last date. So I have uploaded it on.
Today it was extended.
Yeah. So I have sent it on online. So just wanted to check whether it's okay or not. Yeah, it's okay, right? Thank you.
Okay, it's okay.
Yeah.
Anyhow, you have the hard copy, na? You can send by post. That is fine.
I will
Or
try.
you are in Nagpur, then you can go for the study center. There is no problem.
I am in Mumbai, sir. And with this, if there is time, can you answer? Like there were chances of Mumbai Center opening up. It's closed. Are there any chances so that I can give exam here? Maybe.
Okay, madam, there is no problem. Wherever you want to appear the term and examinations, at the time of exams, before 1 week, you need to approach the particular regional center. They will try to check the question papers. After that, they will give the permission. There is no problem. Wherever you want to appear the term and examinations, you need to appear. There is no problem. You ask the permission and they will check the question papers. Whether it is available, then automatically they will allow as a stray case. There is no big task.
Okay. Now, right now on internet, it is showing that Mumbai, this thing is closed. So.
Okay. So anyhow, you need to contact the regional centers directly.
Okay.
Whether they are also saying this Mumbai RC will be closed or it should be postponed or whatever it is. So they will told you now. Then only you will know the current situation, and after that you can ask the regional center Nagpur.
Okay. Thank you.
Or you can send one mail to us, then we will give the reply.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. So anyhow, our induction meeting already conducted. So this is a time for propose the vote of thanks on behalf of Regional Center Nagpur and my own behalf of. So I would propose a vote of thanks. So I am very much thankful to our regional director, Dr. C.P. Sivaswarup sir, and our colleague, Dr. Sheshikumar, and our coordinator, Tushar Tale sir, and all the participants. and regional center staff. So I am very much thankful to providing this opportunity to me. So it is very, very thankful to you, and all the learners are very interactive, and they are very enthusiastically interactive with me, and they are eagerly waiting for the industry meeting. So they have spent nearly 2 hours so listening with patience. So I am very much thankful to the learners. So thank you one and all for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. This session is wind up. Okay, thank you.